In this video, I'll show you how to get Claude Pro for free. First, open your web browser and search for Claude for Education. From the search results, open the official Anthropic website. Once you're on the Claude for Education page, look for the Contact Our Education Team option and click on it. This will take you to the official application form. Fill out the form with your details, including your first name, last name, the school or institution name, your role, and a brief explanation of why you'd like access to Claude. Make sure all the information you provide is accurate and complete. After filling out the form, click Submit to send your application. Anthropic will review your request and verify whether you're eligible for the education program. If you meet the requirements and your application is approved, you may receive access to Claude Pro at no cost through the education program. Keep in mind that this isn't guaranteed for everyone. Access depends on Anthropic's eligibility requirements and approval process. And that's how you can apply to get Claude Pro for free through the Claude for Education program.